We will clean mold and mildew, fix cracked and crumbling grout, and repair water damaged and disintegrating drywall under the tiles faster and cheaper anywhere in the Greater Vancouver, BC. Call Handyman Chuck now 778-938-9883 or request a quote online. Symptoms caused by mold allergy are watery, itchy eyes, a chronic cough, headaches or migraines, difficulty breathing, rashes, tiredness, sinus problems, nasal blockage and frequent sneezing. Some species produce toxic secondary metabolites. We do it all. Wall, ceiling, and floor repairs. Painting and plastering. Kitchen and bathroom tiling. Drywalling. Interior and exterior design. Residential and commercial renovations. Emergency home, house, and property repairs. Wall, ceiling, and door repairs. Kitchen, bathroom, closet, and basement renovations. Windows and doors. Home Reno Deals Canada. Ask us about home, business, or rental unit. Renovations, repairs, painting, plastering, tiling, building and design deals. Call us now at 778-938-9883.